why I have to apologize to you. You deserve. Why is the door locked? Tom-Tom! Tom-Tom, it's me! Open the door for me, Tom-Tom! Oh, no! Where did he go? Tom-Tom! Tom-Tom! Oh, Tom-Tom! Is he not in the house?
Hey!
Tom-Tom! 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 What are you doing? Open the door for me! Tom-Tom! Tom-Tom! You stay out there! Oh!
Hey!
Tom-Tom! Yes! No, Tom-Tom, open the door for me. Why did he do that to me? Oh, you come home, Dad. Ooh. Dad.
Hello, JJ.
Ooh.
Why are you standing outside?
Dad is home already. Oh no. I have to go there. Dad! I'm so happy that Dad is home. I miss you so much. JJ won't play with me. There's no such thing, you. JJ is just out here and doesn't want to play with me.
Really? JJ, you can't do that. You guys have to play happily together. Okay, good job, Tom-Tom. Let's go inside the house.
Yes.
Aww.
Oh no, geez, why doesn't Dad believe me?
Haha. Ooh. Haha.
Why are you crying? Why did you lie? You didn't open the door to let me in. I was just kidding you. There's nothing you're upset about. Are you kidding? Next time, don't lie like that again. Okay, I know. Really? Then I'll forgive you this time. Haha. Thank you. Let's go out. It's funny why I have to apologize to you. You deserve. Tom-Tom is too mean. I won't play with him anymore. Yummy. Yummy. Yeah! Huh? It will be mine. Hey, Tom-Tom, that's my cake. Give it back to me. So, what are you going to do? I'll let you know.
JJ, stop. What are you doing?
Mom, Tom-Tom he. Oh. Huh? Oh! Tom-Tom he ate my cake.
Even so, you can't hit Tom-Tom.
You You still dare.
JJ, what are you doing? Stop right now.
It's because of him.
TomTom, are you okay?
I'm okay. Mom! No one loves me. Mom doesn't love me. You clean up this trash. The house is so messy. I know. You go away. I'm just reminding you, Mom will be very angry when she sees it. Oh no, my stomach hurts. Oh my dinosaur. So messy, Mom will be very angry when she sees it. Mom?
JJ, why is the house so messy?
Oh, it wasn't me. It was TomTom who did it, Mom.
TomTom? But TomTom is not here. You lied to me, right?
It was really TomTom's doing, Mom. He just went to the bathroom. What's wrong, Mom? It's TomTom. You're the one who made a mess here. Please tell Mom.
Is that true, TomTom?
I don't know anything. Why do you blame me, JJ? What? What? Obviously you did it. Why do you say that?
JJ, are you still lying? Quickly clean up. TomTom just goes inside and ignores JJ.
Yes, JJ really is. Why doesn't Mom believe me? No one loves me. I won't live in this house anymore. My parents just believe what TomTom says. What is he planning to do? I'm so bad, I have to go find him and apologize. JJ, where are you? JJ, please go home quickly. JJ, where are you? JJ, where are you? JJ, JJ, go home quickly. I'm sorry. I shouldn't have done that to you. I don't trust you anymore. You always blame me in front of my parents. I'm sorry. I'll tell my parents all the truth. Don't be angry anymore. Go home quickly. Really? Do you really admit your fault? Really? It's all my fault. Okay, I'll believe you this time. Thank you. Let's go home.
Where did the kids go? I don't see anyone at home.
They went out to the tree house to play on the slide, honey.
Oh, so I'll go find my kids. See you later, baby. Haha.
Oh,
Yo-Yo, you slide in here and play with us.
I have a bit scared. It looked quite tall and even slide into the pool.
Oh no, Yo-Yo, it's not scary. It's fun, JJ. Yes, Yo, be confident. I'm sure you'll like it. If you can do it, we'll help fighting.
Okay, I'll try it once and see how it goes. It's scary looking down here. I don't think I can do it.
Don't worry, Yo-Yo. I believe you can do it.
I'll try. I'll start. So funny. I thought it was scary.
I said it's fun and you'll definitely like it. Yes, but this place seems a bit small for us.
Hello, kids.
Dad, how do you know we're here?
Haha. Mom said you're here.
Yes, we asked Mom's permission to come out here to play on the slide.
Haha. The pool seems to be too small for you guys.
It's a bit tight if all three of us play together.
Yes, it would be great if we could play in a bigger pool.
Yes, I wish we had a big and beautiful swimming pool.
Haha. Okay, let me think. Haha. I have a way. I'll make you a big swimming pool.
Really?
Of course. You'll love it. Come with me.
So we're going to have a new swimming pool. Yeah! Let's go.
Sounds interesting. Let's check it out.
Wait for me. Wow.
Haha.